this is a circle inscribed by a two triangle, but you are to find the values of angles of PRQ, this angle. So in finding this value, this is where we used to do it, and the triangle inside, which is this, there's something common in it, which is they have radius. There is a line from this 0 to P. This line is a radius. This line is a radius. This is a center. Any line draw from the center to the circumference is a radius. You draw another one like this, it's also a radius. So this one is also a radius, and this line OQ is a radius. So, and you even draw a line like this, is also a radius. So now, for the fact that all these are radius, these are the things we need to consider. And you still remember that this angle is 36. So now, what we need to say now is that this line is equal to this line. They are equal because they are a radius. So, for the fact that they are equal, we call it an isosceles triangle. And what are the properties of isosceles triangle? The property of isosceles triangle is that the base are equal. If this is theta, this also, if this is 10, this also be 10, because that is the property of isosceles triangle. So the property of isosceles triangle. So now, from the property which we're able to have seen from this, now telling you that since the base angle of isosceles triangle are equal, here will also be 36 degree. So if this is 30 degree, let's consider the angle. Let's draw the angle outside like this. So we have POQ. So this is 36 degree. This is also 36 degree. Now there is another property of triangle, that is sum of the all triangle, that angle POQ plus angle OPQ plus angle PQO is equal to 180 degree. So that telling you that the sum of triangle is 180 degree. So therefore, the POQ, that is angle POQ plus 36 degree plus 36 degree is equal to 180. So the angle POQ plus 72 degree is equal to 180 degree. So knowing the value of POQ will now be 180 minus 72 degree. So let's try to do the calculation. That is 72. We need to do the practical maths. We don't need to rush in solving this. So 2 minus 10 to give you 8. So it really means 70. So telling you that this angle is 108. So that is the angle there is 108. So let's try to clean the board and continue. So if the angle here is 108, so if you want to confirm what I'm just trying to say, so this is what I'm trying to say, that this angle is 108 degree. Let's try to add everything together. 108 degree plus 72. We have a 0. It remains 1. 1 plus 7 is 2. Everything now become 180 degree. So, as from that place, but what we need to find, and the question given to us, is to find the values of what is the size of angle PQR, which is, we were looking for this angle. So we call it angle PQR. But there is a law states that the angle at center is twice the one at circumference. One of the theorems of circuit theory, that the angle POQ, this, the one at the center is this. The law says that is twice one at a circumference, which is PRQ. So the POQ, you know, it is 108 degree, and which is the 2 to multiply angle PRQ. So the angle at center twice the one at circumference. So we now have, let's try to make it to be the subject of the formula, to have 108 degrees. So angle PRQ now give us 108 degree to divide by 2. So if you have to divide this by 2, we have 54. So angle PRQ will be 2 in 10, we have 4. So telling you that this angle is 54 degrees. So that is how we find the circle geometry, any forms of this. So if this video is meaningful to you, please try to subscribe to this channel and just stay and be able to get one of these videos. So thanks for watching this video.